Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a scroll rigging in Maya 2022. So let's get started. I have taken two controller. Here is our master controller and here is our driver. If you want to know how to create this controller, I will put a video link on the description box. Just check the link. Go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cube, type width of the cube 13 and depth type here 24, subdivision depth type here 50, subdivision width type here 25 and subdivision height type 5 and height of the cube type 0.5. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to create, take a locator, turn on wireframe on shaded mode. For the locator, increase the scale XYZ to 4. Press V to snap the locator just here. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V to snap it here. Now parent the locator 2 to locator 1 and also parent the cube to locator 2. Now select your polygon cube, go to deform, nonlinear, click bend, rotate the bend handle 90 degree along x-axis. On bend curvature type here 180 degree, low bound type 0, high bound type here 10 and rotate the bend handle 90 degree along rotate z-axis and move the bend handle just here. Type here 12 on translate Z. Select your bend handle, shift select your driver, go to Windows, open node editor. Select this 3 node, click remove selected node from graph, move this one here and also this one here. Press tab key, type plus minus, take plus minus average node. Enlarge this node by clicking on this icon and as they are moving along translate Z, so connect driver translate Z to input 1D and translate Y to input 1D1 and delete the translate Y connection. Select your plus minus average node on channel box, type here 12 and see the effect and connect output 1D to your translate G for your bend handle. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the plus minus average node and enlarge this one by clicking on this icon and select your driver, go to modify, click add attribute and type one attribute scroll, minimum value minus 20, maximum value 20, click add and another attribute type rig, minimum value minus 20, maximum value 20, click OK. Now connect your scroll value to input 1D 0 and output 1D to your bend handle scale XYZ. Now select your locator 2, click add selected node to graph and remove the shape node by clicking on this icon and enlarge your locator 2. Select your locator 2 and try to rotate it. It is rotating along x-axis and connect your rig to rotate x of your locator 2. Now minimize your node editor, select your driver, try to move along z-axis, decrease your rig value. This will increase the scroll number and also decrease your scroll value, and see the effect. Increase your rig value and move your driver. Decrease your scroll value, decrease rig value. I think this is right. Now again move your driver and see the effect. See, go to lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. Now with selected your driver, shift select your locator and also your bend handle, press Ctrl+G to create a group and rename the group as group GRP. Select your master controller, shift select your newly created group, change modeling menu to rigging menu, go to constraint, click parent constraint, go to constraint, open scale constraint option, maintain offset off, click add. Now select your master controller, try to scale, select your driver and move and see the scroll effect. Select your again master controller, rotate, select your driver, move and see the scroll effect. See, in this process you can create a scroll rigging effect in Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.